If you want to turn your life around by taking care of your health, a good place to start is with your diet. You can exercise all you want, but if you do not pay attention to what you eat, you will still suffer certain health issues. A lot of people do not have any awareness when it comes to what they eat. Everyone know that junk food is bad, but they do not really care until related health problems arise. Eating bad food over a long period of time can cause many severe diseases and conditions that can be fatal. So pay attention to what you eat and how much you eat. Does not take a lot of effort and it helps you to practice self-control. If you still are not sure where to start, here is a list of foods you should avoid. 1. Never eat stick margarine if you want to maintain good cholesterol. People assume that this is a healthy alternative to butter. There might be no cholesterol. Margarine contains tons of trans fats. Trans fats damages blood vessel walls and causes cholesterol levels to skyrocket. This leads to an increased risks of heart attacks and cardiovascular diseases. Many margarines have been reformulated over the years, but not all margarines are created equal. Remember, margarine is highly processed, so you better stick to either with butter or olive oil. 2. Never eat canned coconut milk, soup, and vegetables if you like calm hormone systems. Not all cans used for a food are lined with industrial chemical bisphenol A. BPA is a synthetic estrogen that can disrupt the hormone system even in small amounts. It has been associated with an infertility and breast cancer to obesity, diabetes, early puberty, and behavioral changes in children. FDA tests of 78 popular canned foods found the chemical in 71 of them. Harvard study found that eating a single serving of canned soup daily for 5 days and had 10 times the amount of BPA in their systems compared to those who ate fresh soup instead. Breast Cancer Fund found the highest concentrations in canned coconut milk, soup, and vegetables. Look for products from companies that have moved away from using BPA. 3. Stop using artificial sweeteners. It will not helping you lose weight. You are wrong. People thought swapping caloric sugar for a non-caloric sweetener would lead to weight loss. Evidence is mounting that artificial sweeteners may lead to weight gain and even worse may lead to higher glucose levels. Researchers gave people sugar substitutes for 7 days and half of them showed higher blood glucose levels after just 4 days. Artificial sweetener causes obesity and its complication, posing potential risk to fish and other marine life as treated wastewater. 4. Stop giving cereals to kids if you are watching your sugar intake. Cereals aimed at a kids are packed with sugar, what you may not realize. The leading sugar creamed cereals, Kellogg's Honey Smacks and Malto Meal Golden Puffs both contain 56% sugar by weight. It delivers 50% of recommended daily sugar intake per serving as per WHO. 5. Stop eating hamburger if you like clean food. Grass-fed beef from cows that live on a farm is one thing, but industrial meat from factory farm cattle is whole different beast. Filthy conditions, copious growth hormones, and a diet comprised of genetically modified corn all add up to a abysmal beef. Processed ground beef is a mix of meat from hundreds of animals. This vastly increases the risk of contamination. 6. Stop drinking soda if you do not want diabetes. European study found that people who drank a 12-ounce sugar-sweetened soda daily were 18% more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Another study found that daily soda consumption increased the risk of type 2 diabetes by 25%. The body digests the sugars from soda quickly. This contributes to insulin resistance and causes rapid spikes in blood sugar. 7. Stop eating processed meat if you want to avoid premature death. Studies show that people who indulge in a lot of processed milk like ham, bacon, and sausage have a greater risk of premature death. European countries concluded that those who ate most of the processed meat were 44% more likely to die prematurely. High levels of consumption bumped up the risk of death from heart diseases by 72% and cancer by 11%. One study from Harvard found that those who ate processed meat on a regular basis were more likely to die over a 20 to 30-year period. 8. Stop eating tilefish, shark, and swordfish if you are worried about mercury. Methyl mercury is a neurotoxin that can be harmful to the brain and nervous system when a person is exposed. It is found that these fishes in much higher concentration than others. Pregnant, breastfeeding mothers and young children should avoid these foods.